Hey friend, what if I told you that the most common STI in the world is something most people don't even know they have, until it's already had a silent conversation with their body? I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to have a real talk about health, about self-respect, and about the choices we make that ripple through our lives. Let's talk about HPV, human papillomavirus. It's the most common sexually transmitted infection in the world. Over 80% of sexually active people will get it at some point in their lives. No judgment, no shame, just facts. And here's the kicker. Most people don't even know they have it. There are often no symptoms. It's like a quiet passenger, present but invisible. And yet, for some, it can lead to genital warts, cervical cancer, oral cancers, or anal cancer down the line. I remember a patient once. Let's call her Marie, late 20s. Smart, vibrant, always laughing. She came in with some mild discomfort, thinking it was nothing serious. We ran tests. It was HPV, the high-risk kind. She was stunned. And in that quiet room, I watched her face change. Not because she was ashamed, but because she realized something. She had been ignoring her health, pushing off checkups, trusting too much, not asking questions, not protecting herself. And I don't say that to place blame. I say that because so many of us live that way, disconnected from our bodies, from our health, from the present moment. You might be wondering, what exactly is HPV? Let's break it down. HPV, or human papillomavirus, isn't just one virus. It's actually a family of over 200 different types. Some are harmless and disappear without a trace. Others, they can lead to genital warts or worse, cancerous cell changes, especially in the cervix. And how do you get it? Skin-to-skin contact, mostly through sexual activity, vaginal, anal, or oral. Condoms help, yes, but they don't cover all skin. So while they reduce the risk, they don't eliminate it. Now here's the tricky part. Most HPV infections don't show symptoms. That's right, people can carry and spread it without even knowing. But some types cause visible genital warts, small bumps or raised areas that can appear on the genitals, anus, mouth, or throat. And the high-risk types? They're the quiet ones. They can cause changes in cervical cells that lead to cancer. That's why Pap tests and HPV screenings are so important. They catch those changes early, before they become something more serious. But don't panic. Here's the good news. Most HPV infections go away on their own. But when they don't, they can cause cervical, anal, vulvar, vaginal, penile, and even some throat cancers. And that's why we talk about this. Because early action saves lives. So what can you do? Start with prevention. The HPV vaccine is safe, effective, and protects against the most dangerous strains. The earlier you get it, ideally before becoming sexually active, the better the protection. And yes, safe sex practices help too. Use protection, have open conversations, and respect your partner's health and your own. There's no cure for HPV itself, but there are treatments. Genital warts can be removed with medication, freezing, or laser treatment. Precancerous changes in the cervix? They can be treated through colposcopy, biopsy, or minor surgical procedures, often preventing cancer altogether. And it all starts with awareness. When you know your body and then you listen to it, you take back control. Here's what I want you to take from this. HPV is preventable. There's a vaccine, there are screenings, there are choices we can make, not just for our physical health, but for our self-worth. Because when you take care of your body, you're saying, I value myself, I value my time, I want to be here fully. And isn't that what self-care is about? Not just bubble baths and green smoothies, but showing up for your own health, even when it's uncomfortable, even when it means asking tough questions, or walking away from people who don't respect your boundaries. Life is fast, and intimacy, it's beautiful, but it's also sacred. Protecting yourself isn't weakness, it's wisdom, it's mindfulness, it's knowing that every moment matters, and your body, your life, deserves to be honored.